Axelar is back on the radar today, trading around 13 cents and showing a sharp 21% pump in the last 24 hours. And the way the chart is moving, the momentum looks stronger than it has in weeks. The market is reacting to Axelar's rising relevance in the cross-chain ecosystem, because while most networks are still struggling with fragmented liquidity and isolated ecosystems, Axelar continues to position itself as the backbone of true interoperability. That narrative is gaining heat again, especially with the recent uptick in multi-chain trading volume and the growing demand for seamless asset transfers between major chains like Ethereum, Cosmos, Avalanche, and Polkadot. This fresh pump seems tied to a mix of renewed developer interest and the broader market rotation into infrastructure tokens. Over the last few days, we've seen Axelar integrations expanding across DoFi, gaming, and even cross-chain NFT platforms. The project also quietly pushed new updates related to message routing efficiency, which is a small but important improvement for developers building cross-chain dApps. As liquidity migrates into multi-chain ecosystems, Axelar naturally benefits, and today's price action reflects that shift. Large wallets have also been gradually accumulating Axl at the lower ranges, which suggests that this rally may not be just a one-day breakout but part of a deeper trend forming. The sentiment around Axelar is increasingly bullish because it solves a real problem. Chains want to interact, but securely and without relying on risky centralized bridges. Axelar's security model and its growing validator network give it a strong edge, and investors are finally seeing that value again. A move from 13 cents to 15 cents isn't unrealistic in the short term if this momentum holds. A breakout to the previous zone around 20 cents becomes possible if the broader market continues to heat up and cross-chain volume rises. Midterm targets stretch toward the 30 to 35 cents region, which was a major resistance zone during earlier cycles. For long-term believers, Axelar still holds a powerful narrative. If blockchain interoperability becomes mainstream, something the industry has been moving toward since 2022, projects like Axelar will sit at the center of that infrastructure. It doesn't need meme hype or sudden viral moments. It grows with the adoption of the entire multi-chain architecture. That's why the current pump feels organic, backed by utility rather than speculation.